Hi moneymakers, welcome to Glory Investing Show. Today, we will talk about one of those stocks that just spikes up on crazy hype news. So, if you're lucky enough to be around while this is happening, you will have an opportunity to make great profits. Anytime the presidency changes hands in the United States, you can expect to see a reverse in value in the stock market, with investors putting their money into the stocks that will benefit most from the new president that will take office. Recently, Joe Biden won the United States presidential election, taking the White House from President Donald Trump. Joe Biden has been clear in terms of his views toward climate change. Based on his outspoken views, I'm expecting that a Biden presidency will lead to tax benefits for those who provide clean energy products and services, as well as those who consume them. FuelCell Energy, ticket symbol FCEL, is a stock that I've been swing trading in the past couple of days. FuelCell Energy is an innovative leader in the area of carbon capture and fuel cell technology. Ultimately, the company uses hydrogen to create clean energy. Moreover, the company has technology capable of producing the carbon needed to generate the energy. This company is a cornerstone in the fuel cell and carbon capture space. In fact, the company is so advanced in this emerging space that it has signed agreements with ExxonMobil, Pfizer, and Toyota. FuelCell is also a favorite among the United States government. Not only has the company been the center of grants from the Department of Defense surrounding fuel cell research for clean energy purposes, it has successfully completed projects with the United States Armed Forces, providing power to the Navy and other core assets. Since Biden will be taking the White House in the near future, there's a lot to expect from the fuel cell stock. And also, I'm looking forward to you subscribing to this channel and smashing that like button. According to data from S&P Global Market Intelligence, FuelCell Energy hasn't generated positive operating cash flow since 2018, nor has it reported positive free cash flow since 1998, or a positive full-year profit since 1997. So why is this stock going up then? The answer is simple: day traders catching momentum. Everyone here knows I'm not a fan of swing or day trading, but when I saw these crazy gains for the last couple of days, I couldn't stay on the curb and watch everyone else make money. So I started researching some call options to see how many people actually believe that this stock will continue going up, and volume speaks for itself. The hype is real. As I always advise everyone, have some cash under the mattress for chances like this one, because they don't come every day. From November 3rd till November 23rd, this stock is up approximately 273%. I was jumping in and out, buying and selling calls. I would just say that I made 5 or 6 trades, and I was up on all of them.
It was great!
Making profits from 20 to 160%. Call and put options can be a very powerful tool in a situation like this. So, if you want me to make a video about stock options, comment down below. On November 24th, stock went down almost 30% as a result of traders taking profits. So, if you ask me, there is your dip that you talk about. What I think about the future of fuel cell? Well,
stocks only go up.
Between climate change getting a higher political profile and the momentum renewable energy stocks have on Wall Street, I believe that fuel cell is having a bright future. There are also some good predictions for fuel-based companies in the future. In 2013, there were 5,900 high-speed charging stations globally, and by 2020, we are supposed to have 200,000. The global electric vehicle charging station market is expected to grow at 40.5% compound annual growth rate during the forecast period between 2019 and 2026 and will reach over $3.4 billion by 2026. In the end, guys, please always do your research and never copy anyone's trades or strategies. Love you all, buy the dip, and I will see you soon.